Thanks for joining me on my market report. My name is Mike, and my market report is on mortgage rates. We kind of create these videos on mortgage rates, on what's impacting them on a daily basis. Sometimes it could be something from the economic calendar or geopolitical or headline news that kind of pop in there. Sometimes even good news is bad news, and the market sentiment changes. So if you're on the sidelines, you may not understand what's going on and why these are happening. So we try to do our best to give these explanations out there to give you an idea as to what's going on with mortgage rates, whether they're going up or down or going sideways or whatnot, and what to kind of expect sometimes a week ahead and stuff. So hopefully, if you guys are wanting to, if you're following it, you're probably looking either refinance or purchasing, or if you guys, so you want to try and make sure what's a good time to lock in your rates, or if you might be in the industry, you might be just kind of following along and see what's going, where things are going, so you can decide where the market is going. A little bit about myself is I am a loan officer. I do work with a national lender, so we do loans in all 50 states. So if you guys need assistance with refinance or purchases, we can assist you with that. But not only that, we are here as a resource for you. If you're looking, if you got questions about things, sometimes it could be about mortgage rates, could be about mortgage programs, it could be a lot of different things. Just reach out. We're here to help you guys out. We greatly appreciate it. We'd love to be able to be in communication with you. If we can be accommodative somehow, let me know. And so without further ado, we're just going to jump right into it. We'll start with the economic calendar. Today's a light day. This whole week will be, for the most part, will be as light as one can expect. We don't got a lot going on this week. Today, there's really nothing on the calendar worth mentioning, to be frank. But tomorrow through, I think, Thursday, there'll be some treasury auctions that could have a little bit of an impact on the markets. Um, and then Thursday will be probably our biggest day. We'll have not only the weekly jobless claims, but the big one we'll be looking at is CPI report. So right now, inflation is, of course, for on everybody's minds right now as to see how the Fed's going to react due to their upcoming meeting in March, so next month. They're expecting. So there's concerns that they may come in with a half a point instead of a quarter increment starting off in March. So that is uh, a thought right now. So that the odds of that happening increased over the jobs report. So that's what's kind of happening right now. So the stock market, for the most part, is taking its cue from the quarterly earnings reports that are coming out right now. So that's where they're kind of getting a lot of their guidance. There hasn't really been anything on the geopolitical side or really headline news popping up. So right now, it's more or less the uh, earnings reports. So based on that, then you also got the uh, stock investors' money, where the money is flowing from. So mortgage-backed securities and yields compete with the dollars on there. So you're not getting a lot right now. You're getting probably a little bit maybe coming in here. So speaking of such, here's where we're at right now. Friday was a pretty bad day after those jobs reports came in, hit us pretty hard. We lost about 62 points, or actually we're closed down 42. We were down around 60 basis points, and it did come in a little bit better at 42. We're basically at we started off slightly lower and then worked our way up. Right now we're up about 5 basis points. So right now it's unchanged from Friday's closed. Here's kind of what it looked like today. It was kind of sideways, dipped a little bit, and then worked its way upwards uh, before it got better right now. So not too much volatility today. Again, today for the most part, it's going to be. It looks like it's going to be kind of quiet as there's not a lot of triggers out there to really spark it unless a Fed member speaks or something pops up that could spook the markets. Treasuries right here are again but pretty much similar. We're about 1.91, kind of about where we ended up on Friday. So kind of similar range right there as well. So lastly, we'll just kind of go over the average rates over conforming loan limits right now that came up. And right now, 30 years at 3.87, and the 15 year is at 3.13 now. So now we're in the threes on the 15 year. We were at one point in the twos, worked our way up over the years, over the past several months on there. So as you can see, rates are rising. 30 years are approaching the 4% mark, and then 15 years already in the 3% range right now. So hopefully that one, hopefully you'll get some good information out of this. If you guys got questions or anything we can help you guys out with, please feel free to reach out. We would love to be able to talk with you guys. If you guys like these videos, please help us out. We'd greatly appreciate it if you could share us and smash that like button. That would greatly help our channel out. Greatly appreciate it. And otherwise, we'll look forward to see you guys in tomorrow's video. Thanks for watching. You guys have a great rest of your day, and we'll catch you guys tomorrow. Bye-bye.